Well, this little guy is Peanut. He's by a Lonsum Drift 045 stud and out of a linebred Rolling Jax Copper mare. He's been working on his baby basics. He's all covered in ick from the lick tubs that these guys have had, so that's why he has goofy brown spots on him. He's still a little bit flighty when you go to catch him, but he's not bad. I don't have to corner him to catch him. And he's gotten where, once you get your hands on him, he's pretty gentle about stuff. Hi there, Peanut. How are you doing, bud? This guy's getting better about being approached all the time. He's still a little bit flighty, but once you get your hands on him, he's pretty good. I don't have to corner him anymore to be able to catch him. He's been pet all over. He loves scratches. Lean into you and do the wiggly lips. He's started to eat grain. I've been feeding a alfalfa pellet to my colts here lately. He's worked on being able to step hinds and fronts. Quite a bit quicker on this left side. Come here, bud. He leads pretty decent. I have not messed with this guy with the flag yet, so this is his very first exposure with the flag in hand on a lead line. Flies are still a little irritating. He doesn't appear to be bothered by the flag a bit.